I'm here with Chad, and we got the Mooney mover, Alpha Kilo Warrior, Alpha Kilo Mooney. You got a little tag along. Pre-flight's done.
Full throttle. Make sure RPMs are around 2,700. Check manifold pressure, fuel flow around 18. Make sure all engine instruments are in the green. Once we pick up some speed, 55, we're going to start pulling back. We're going to rotate around 65, climb out at 86. Should anything happen on the ground or with enough runway and gear down to put it down, that's exactly what we'll do. Max braking. If anything should happen after we rotate with no runway left, we're going to look within a wingspan about 30 degrees to put it down. Best glide right now is roughly 87 knots. We'll look for 87 knots. And then if anything should happen about 1,000 feet above the runway, we're going to make a call whether or not we can turn back to the runway, put it down. If not, then we'll land ahead or best fit. And do the checklist provided time. Okay. Any questions?
I'm excited.
I'm glad you're excited. Let's do this.
Alpha Kilo Mooney.
A new moniker. All right. Turn that off. We've got that. We'll roll up here. We are on tower. We're going to let them know we're ready to go. And we're going to be departing out to the east. We want about a 034. Beautiful day.
Yeah, it turned out to be another top 10 New England day.
Yeah. I love when there's like no humidity. Brainerd Tower, Mooney 9127 Delta, holding short, runway 20, ready for departure to the east.
Number 9127 Delta, Brainerd Tower, left turn is approved. Runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 20, left turn approved, cleared for takeoff, Mooney 9127 Delta. Okay, we've been cleared for takeoff, boost pump is on, lights are on, mixture's full in, prop is full forward, I'm configured for takeoff with flaps and trim, and my towel flaps are open. I don't see anybody coming on the left. And just a left turn. Start my watch timer for fuel. Get on that center line. All right, all good, ready to go?
Ready to rock and roll.
All right, let's do it. All right, manifold pressure's looking good. Fuel flow's looking good. RPMs are good. Engine instruments are good. We're already at 55, 60. Go right crosswind there. And I got positive rate. Here's coming up. Gears up. Getting blown just a little to the left. Alright, above our obstacles, flaps are coming up. We can roll RPMs back a little bit, 2,600. Alright, there's 500 making that left turn out. Thinking maybe we'll go up to like 3.3, 3.5. Rather, yeah, we'll see 4.
Feels pretty smooth.
Yeah, right now, not bad. Good, we'll head back to Hartford. Or you want to grab anything?
I'm a little far from the rudders.
There's a linkage between the ailerons, the yoke, and the rudder, so...
Is your autopilot on?
Autopilot is off. And if you want to scoot up to get your feet on the rudders, you just hit that latch and pull yourself forward. And it's just like your car. Yep. Tell you what, they're off of our, so go ahead, your controls.
My airplane.
Your controls. Go ahead, turn right. Yep, and they're off to our left, and I'll be eyes out here. So, and I'll be interested to hear your feedback on the yoke and how far you have to turn it to get it to...
So career track's right there.
Yep. I'm looking for them, but they're four out. They're out there.
Twin 340, Mike Kilo, ground tower, left turn west approved, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, it trimmed really well too.
Nice. Yeah, and we've got the trim wheel down there if you want.
Traffic still up to my 9 o'clock.
Yep.
They're probably going into Hartford, right?
I would think they're
Unless they're doing an approach
Yeah,
through the RNAV.
they're kind of making a line.
All right, 3,500. Alpha Kilo Mooney's flying a Mooney. First time flying a Mooney.
Looks good on you.
It feels comfortable. Actually, the first time I'm in the right seat flying too.
What do you think about the seating position? You're kind of like,
you know, there's a lot going on, but the visibility's good. I'm using my peripheral a lot too. I can see the wing off to my right as a good horizon marker, and like good visibility today, using the natural terrain as a horizon check. Trying to maintain altitude here. How's traffic?
he's no factor. Yeah, he's way out. He's probably 6 miles out now.
All right, so I'm looking at the road here.
Pretty well coordinated. Ball's in the center.
I'm not even seeing the ball. I'm losing a little bit of altitude there.
Yep, about standard rate right now. Turn.
Level and off to the left here. Goes down.
You're clear, no traffic at all.
Clear, no traffic, roger that.